Ladies and gentlemen, artists of all ages, today I came here to share with you a terrible truth, a truth that some of us know but choose to ignore it, and others they handled it pretty well actually. And I'm here to make sure that we all know it so that we can all make a final decision. Drawing anime is destroying your skills. What do I mean by that? I mean that anime art has downfalls, not for the viewer or the fan. No, these downsides are only for the artist. Downside, get me wrong here. I am not just going to tell you the thing and leave you to figure it out on your own. I stop also going to tell you the solution. At the end, you stop going to still draw anime, but you're going to be drawing it the right way and practicing more efficiently. So without further ado, here are the 5 dark truths about anime art. Style is killing your skill. I know this sounds like impossible, but hear me out here. You think you're building your art style, but really, you're hiding behind shortcuts to avoid facing your weakness. Allow me to explain. Overusing anime eyes and spiky hair to distract from the broken anatomy. Avoiding hands, feet and complex pose because you like simple designs. Calling it a stylistic choice, but in reality it's a skill gap. All these are excuses that artists use. It's also how anime artists plateau forever. But fear not, there's a ways to fix this. Revert to realism, and then rebuild your style with purpose. And here sets how to do it. Spend some time studying from real faces, proco, real figures and real hands. And when your set's done, you can come back to the anime art style that you created. You see that it all suddenly makes sense. Your style should be something someone looks at and be impressed, not ask for excuses. You're copying but you're not learning. Everyone copies from anime, it's perfectly normal, but here's the dark side. Most people copy the surface and never study the structure inside. For example, you draw muscles but you don't know what bone connects what, or the rotation of the muscles. What's going on here is that your sketchbook looks good but your mind stays empty. Hello mastery, and the only way to fix this is to break down the thing that you copy. Don't just trace, analyze what makes the pose work. Where's the weight? What's the line of action? Redraw it from memory and then from a different angle, write down why it looked cool. Like what this guy always said, copy with intention, not imitation. You think drawing more equals getting better, you just need to keep drawing. Sound inspiring, right? No, it's wrong. This one actually took me a whole year of art school to figure it out. But you guys have me to tell you. Lucky bastards. But here's the thing, mindless repetition reinforces your mistakes. You draw 100 heads wrong, you'll just get good at drawing heads wrong. Without feedback, you're only polishing bad habits in your permanent workflow. Without studying from construction or real anatomy, your art stays stiff. Listen to me, drawing more doesn't help you get better, studying more does. And the best way to fix this is to split your time 50%. 50% to sketching fun stuff and 50% to learning and practicing. This is smart drawing, and smart drawing beats more drawing. Okay, I know this video doesn't have enough for you, and I don't want it to be long because none of you jerks would watch it anyway. But if you want, tell me in the comments what part I should do a full video of. Now let's move on to you only draw what you like, so you stay weak. Feels good to draw in your comfort zone. Cute girls, edgy boys, cool outfits. But that comfort is killing your growth. You never draw backgrounds so your characters float in the void of empty space. You avoid ugly expressions, weird poses and mundane objects. You tell people that you're a character artist, but deep down it's just fear. Artists who only draw what they like are hobbyists. Professionals draw whatever is needed even if it's ugly. To fix this, you need to force discomfort drawing challenges. Pick one uncomfortable topic each week like backgrounds, old people, cars and hands. Post it even it's ugly, that's the point. Trust me, you'll grow faster when you're uncomfortable. You're stuck in the circle of almost good. This is the scariest one because it feels like progress. You're always almost there. Your drawings are close but never great. And you keep drawing the same OP over and over again. You watch 100 YouTube tutorials, but apply none of them fully. Spend more time tweaking line thickness than studying the fundamentals. You're busy, you're tired, but deep down you're stalling, and you're scared to commit. To fix this, limit yourself to a goal and deadline. I'll draw 5 original characters with full body poses and 1 background this week. Get feedback from online forums, Discord, Reddit, finish, even if it's messy. Perfection is the enemy of growth. And yeah, that's it for this video. And if this one helped, please subscribe and comment what video you want to see next. Catch you in the next one.